between machine, people, place, things, and the clouds. Features of 4GLs. Fourth generation language. Fourth generation computer programming language 4GL are closer to human language than other high level language and are accessible to people without formal training as programmers. They allow multiple common operations to be performed with a single programmer entered command. They are intended to be easier for user than machine language, assembly language, and older high level language. The fourth generation language is any computer programming language that belongs to a class of language envisioned as an advancement of upon third generation programming language. Each of the programming language generation aim to provide a higher level of abstraction of the internal computer hardware detail, making the language more programmer friendly, powerful, and versatile. When the while the definition of 4GL has changed over time, it can be typified by operating more with large collection of information at once rather than focusing on just bit and bytes. Languages claiming to be 4GL may include support for database management, report generation, mathematical optimization, graphical user interface development, or web development. Some researcher states that 4GL are a subset of domain specific language. Transferring data from one device to another device. There are several methods of transferring file to or from a removable disk. Copy and paste, drag and drop, sends to, copy and paste using keyboard shortcuts like Ctrl C for the copy, Ctrl V for the paste. Method 1, copy and paste. Plug the USB flash drive directly into the available USB port. If the USB flash drive or external drive folder does not open automatically, to follow this step. Click to start, then computer double click on the removable disk associated with the USB flash drive. Navigate to the folder in your computer containing file you want to transfer. Right click on the file you want to copy, then select copy. Return to the removable disk window. Right click within the window, then select paste. Method 2, drag and drop. Plug the USB flash drive directly into an available USB port. Allow the computer to recognize the drive, then click start computer. Double click on the removable disk associated with the USB flash drive. Navigate to folder in your computer containing file you want to transfer. Click and drag the file you want to transfer to the removable disk. Release the mouse. Method 3, send to plug the USB flash drive directly into an available USB port. Navigate to the folder in your computer containing file you want to transfer. Right click on the file you want to transfer to your removable disk, then click send to and select the removable disk associated with the USB flash drive. Method 4, copy and paste using keyboard shortcut. Plug the USB flash drive directly into an available USB port. Click on your desired file to select it. On your keyboard, hold down the Control key and press C. Navigate to the desired folder destination. Hold down Control key and press V. Using a wildcard characters. Wildcard character is a keyboard character such as asterisk, question marks that is used to represent one or more character when you are searching for file, folder, printer, computer, or people. Asterisk for more than one and question marks for one. Wildcard characters are often used in place of one or more character when you don't know what the real character is or you don't want to type the entire name. While character asterisk, use the asterisk as a substitute for 0 or more characters. If you are looking for a file that you know start with gloss, but you can't remember the rest of the file name, then type the following gloss streaks. This locate all file of any file type that begin with gloss, including glossary.txt, glossary.doc, glossary.doc, and to narrow the search to a specific type of file type, gloss asterisk.doc. This locate all files that begin with gloss but have been the file name extension with doc, such as glossary.doc, glossy.doc. Use the question mark as a substitute for a single character in name. For example, if you type gloss question mark dot doc, so you will locate the file glossy.doc or gloss1.doc but not glossary.doc. File format. In a computer, a file format is the layout of a file in terms of how the data is organized within the file. A program that uses the data in a file must be able to recognize and possibly access data within the file. For example, the program that we call a web browser is able to process and display a file in the HTML file format so that it appears as a web page, but it cannot display a file in a format designed for Microsoft Excel program. A particular file format often indicated as a part of a file's name by a file name extension. Conventionally, the extension is separated by a period from the name and contain three of three or four letters that identify the format. A program that use a recognize a particular file format may or may not care whether the file has the appropriate extension name, since it can actually examine the bits in the file to see whether the format is one which it recognizes. There are as many different file formats as there are different programs to process the file. Some more common file formats are Word document, web text document .html, web page image .gif, and JPG. Adobe PostScript file .ps, Adobe Acrobat file PDF, executable program .exe, multimedia file .mp3, and other. Working with multiple applications. You may have heard people talking about using a program, an application, or an app, but what exactly does that mean? So, simply put, an app. An app is a type of software that allows you to perform a specific task. Application for desktop or laptop computer are sometimes called desktop application, while those for mobile device are called mobile apps. So when you open an application, it runs inside the operating system until you close it. Most of the time, you will have more than one application open at the same time. This is called multitasking. Desktop application. There are countless desktop applications and they fall into several categories. Some are more full features like Microsoft Word, while other may only do one or two things like a clock or a calendar app. Mentioned below are just a few types of application you might use. First, word processor. A processor allow you to write a letter, design a flyer, and create many other types of document. The most well-known word processor is Microsoft Word. Second, web browser. Web browser is a tool you use to access the internet. Most computers come with a pre-installed web browser, but you can also download a different one if you so prefer. Example of browser include Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, Safari. Media player. If you want to listen to MP3 or watch movie you have downloaded, you will need to use a media player. Windows Media Player and iTunes are popular media player. Games. There are many types of game you can apply on your computer. They range from card game like Solitaire to action game like Hello. Many action games require a lot of computing power, so they may not work unless you have a more advanced computer.